guys, I'm Yein from Craftiviti, and today I want to share with you how to make soap scrub using Stephenson Personal Care OPC soap. So this Stephenson soap base is called OPC, but what it does is it helps you make really nice, soft, fluffy soap. Soufflés, or some people call it soap foam or soap foaming butter. It's got many different names, but anything that is soft and fluffy is made with this. It feels like cream, whipped cream, sometimes even, depending on what you put in. This soap base has absolutely no paraben and no propylene glycol. It has its own natural glycerin, which means that your skin will always be very moisturized and it doesn't strip your skin and make it dry. The special thing about this soap base is that you need not a boiler, not anything else, you just need a hand mixer. The OPC soap base, and natural pink salt or Himalayan salt. You can use salt, you can use sugar, anything that scrubs, even coffee scrub, you can use that as well. So all you need is to leave this going for 20 minutes and it's going to work on its own. You just need to incorporate air into it to fluff up. So you can see it's fluffed up really nicely, but it is not done yet. This is just maybe 10 minutes into fluffing it up. So imagine if you go double that time, it's going to look really fluffy. Look, it looks like vanilla cream right now. I'll take a bite out. If you want to make good soap, you add good ingredients, of course. We have the salt here, and all you do is, remember, 1 kg of soap, 1 kg of salt. Just mix it all in. Soap, look at that. Look at that color. That color is going to turn your soap nice pink. Okay, now you can see the end product after 20 minutes. If you can take a look, it's all nice and fluffy now. It's all risen up and it's ready to go.